Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the STRIFF Laptop Stand. You can see from the photo what the laptop stand is supposed to look like. It's supposed to be a stand for not just a laptop but also a smartphone. We will see in a while. A lot of information on this side and on the other side as well. Over here it's written, ergonomic design makes the computer higher and more comfortable to use. Hollow out design applied in bracket for heat dissipation of notebook computer. 8 levels angle adjustment suitable for different groups of people. Suitable for all kinds of notebook and tablet computers, portable and foldable, compatible to 10 to 17-inch computers or laptops. That's great. Let's open this up and see what this particular stand looks like. And there it is. This is what the laptop stand looks like. This is the underside, the undercarriage. So everything that you do will happen right over here. So the way this works is you have to pull down this unlock stand to release this particular layer. This is now your laptop tray basically. Let me just get a laptop, I'll show you, I'll give you a better view. So now when you're working, you can put this laptop like so. There you can see the laptop, you can put it like this, and underneath the laptop, these are your adjusting levels. I mean, you can see these grooves. These grooves are your different adjusting levels. You can configure it according to your preferences. Not just that, this stand also doubles up as a smartphone receptacle. Like you can place it like this and put your smartphone over here like so, and you're good to go for when you want to work from home. I'll give you a better look. There you can see. This is what it's supposed to look like. Give me a minute, I'll just fix this for you. There you go. Now you're good to go. Basically, you're set to work. You can now put the laptop here, adjust the levels like I showed earlier, and your cell phone can also stay here at the same time. And there you are. This is what you find inside the box containing the STRIFF. Sorry, I'll do this closing again. And there you are. This is what you find inside the box containing the STRIFF laptop stand. Thank you for watching.